are you doing there, Bob?
Trying to get these indicator lenses off, because if you bring closer and have a look in here, yeah, I don't know what's in there.
Yeah,
but,
something's crawled in there and died.
it looks disgusting. So I'm just about to open a very exciting box. It's the new front grille from Nakatananga that we got through Sussex 4x4. So yeah, let's see what it looks like. Nice new grille. So here is the grille installed and looking all fancy, and now we're just removing the old bumper. Here's the new one going on. We actually got this from Facebook Marketplace for £80, which I think is a bargain. We used Nitromor's grey primer followed by Nitromor's gloss black paint. The new bumper along with the grille really transforms the look of the front end.
What are you doing now? Oh my goodness.
This isn't good. And I'm taking this one off, but I'm warming this bit out because I've just stumbled across a bad bit.
Enlisted Dad to help. What are you doing, dude?
I am taking the 10mm bolts off the side skirts so we can fit the
rock sliders over there. There you go. Nice fresh painted rock sliders, which are still tacky and probably ruin the paint anyway, but it's all right. We're doing good.
So we're just drilling the holes in the outriggers to mount the rock sliders. We used new stainless hardware except for the bulkhead bolt. All we had to do was remove the nut to be able to locate the slider. Again, these were another Facebook Marketplace find. We did have these shot blasted to create a bit more grip on the surface so they're not as slippery when you stand on them. We also painted these in the same Nitromors as the bumper. One of the mechanical items we replaced is the A-frame ball joint. We set the rear axle on a pair of transmission jacks as the rear suspension is off the vehicle already. We do a 2-inch lift in another video. To do this job, we unbolted the 2 large bolts holding the unit to the A-frame and removed the ball joint castle nut. We took a big hammer to it and released it fairly easily. You might want to use a ball joint splitter if the hammer trick doesn't work. As you can see, the rubber boot is perished and the joint itself had failed, which caused a big knock when setting off in first gear. We bought this as the ball joint itself rather than the whole bolt-on unit, as Sussex 4x4 has a press to make light work of this.
What are you doing, Alex?
Finishing up, well, using some compound on these arches. They're new to us, so this one's a little bit dull, but that's fine. We can sort that out with some nice abrasive compound.
And some pants.
And some nice Excel pants that I'm using as a rack.
Right. We're not 500th time today. I can't get that to stay in. It's not going to stay in. Anyway. So we're just screwing it in. The clips don't really work very well.
And they don't line up very well either.
Nothing lines up. So fire some self-tappers in.
Gotta make do.
Yep. Alex has got a space heater going on. You're just scraping some bad paint off of that.
Nice Galby.
Galby's steering guard. Yeah.
Which we got second hand for free, I think. Did we get it for free?
Yeah, I think we got it for free.
Yeah. So
Yeah.
Perfect.
Perfect. Right, a little bit of a problem. Can you see the steering arm actually hit the steering guard, and the steering won't actually go straight with obviously full drop on the suspension. If you jack it up, as in jack up the axle, then it will go straight and go through lock to lock, but it still scrapes on that bottom edge of the steering guard. So take the steering guard off for now and see what's going on. It looks like maybe we have an issue with the steering box. It might be at a slight angle, but we'll look further into that another time.